Hey, what's going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a quick review slash tutorial on the Elgato Cam Link 4K edition. So I'm currently using this right now. As you can see, my webcam quality is really good at the moment. Recording straight to my PC, straight to my hard drive or my solid state drive, and I'm going to show you in this video how to actually set it up. It's super straightforward. What you're going to need is a DSLR, one with preferably a clean HDMI output. What that means is basically you can go into settings and then adjust it. It's different for every camera, but there's a setting usually on these cameras to make it a clean HDMI out to a TV, and from there there'll be no pop-ups basically, as grid lines or anything that'll pop up, or focus squares on my face. It'll be clean, go straight to your computer, so you don't have to worry about that at all. DSLR or a pocket camera with an mini HDMI port, a mini HDMI to regular HDMI, and also the Cam Link, and also a PC that has a USB port on it. So in the box, actually, so I got the Cam Link box right here. This is what it looks like. As you can see, this is Cam Link 4K. What comes in the actual box is not too much. It just says unleash your camera. So the whole purpose of this thing is to give yourself better quality on for recording on your computer, and also I don't know, video calls to improve your quality if your webcam sucks or something like that. Cam Link, the HDMI to mini HDMI, and a DSLR, and whatever software you're using to record. It could be OBS, could be the Elgato software. You don't need any drivers for this. It just plug and play, instantly pops up as so it'll actually pop up. Let me just check OBS right now. It'll pop up as Elgato Cam Link 4K on your actual computer. So just look out for that. It'll pop up as a source, select it, boom, you're ready to go. Maybe add an additional light source. As you can see right here, I have an additional light source on me. I just zoom out right there, just for better lighting and stuff like that. You can run it at 60 frames per second. There's almost no lag in terms of audio and actually seeing my mouth move, which is great. Some webcams struggle with that a ton. But I'll show you guys actually how to plug it in. Super straightforward, and let's hop into that. Okay, so the first step is to get your camera. I have mine on a arm right here. Here's my computer. Hello. I'm recording this on my phone. So on the side here of your DSLR or whatever, there should be some ports on the side. This is where the mini HDMI cable goes. Just plug it right in there. You also have to have your camera on. I also heard other things that you don't need an SD card in your camera for this. You don't. I do have an SD card in here, but that won't affect anything. It'll the output or whatever will still come in really clean. So first off, plug in the mini HDMI to your actual DSLR camera right here. This is the Lumix G7. Highly recommend this one. The quality is literally insane. It's only $500. And then I also have an additional light right.
Okay, next, coming back behind my computer, here's the actual Elgato Cam Link itself right here. Has a male USB port plugging into my computer and a female HDMI port right there. So this is the cable plugged into my camera at the moment. It's mini HDMI to male HDMI. That plugs in the rear of the Elgato Cam Link, which then plugs in to the computer itself, and that's going to allow the computer to actually recognize the device and pop up as a source in whatever software you're using, whether that be Zoom or OBS or what have you. And from there, no drivers to install, and you should be good to go. There shouldn't be too much unless you want to adjust some settings on the camera itself to get that clean HDMI. But from here, you should be absolutely fine, and it should pop up, and you should see your live camera view on your computer.
And that's basically it, people. That's all it takes to actually use a Elgato Cam Link. It's super useful. I'm using this to record and do all my videos. Probably not going to use this for video calls, just because my camera's off a little compared to where I'm looking on my screen. So my camera's here, my screen's here. But yeah, super amazing quality. It's super easy to do. I highly recommend the Lumix G7, but you can use other cameras with a clean HDMI output. I would recommend researching that before you actually purchase the higher end camera. So if you're looking to get into live streaming and want better camera quality, or you're tired of your bad webcam for video calls and you want to upgrade that quality as well, or you're doing a video podcast and you want to have better quality for that while you're recording locally on your computer, go check out the Elgato Cam Link. It's on sale like everywhere. I'd recommend picking up on Mercari. It's like a alternative like eBay app that you can get. I love that app personally. It's super amazing to buy stuff on there, and you can negotiate with people as well. So there's that. Normal price for Elgato Cam Link is like, I want to say like a little over $100, but on Mercari you can get it for around 80 or less. So definitely check that out if you're looking to save some money and get it like same exact quality, like brand new quality. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this quick review of the Elgato Cam Link, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And yeah, so far I've been loving the device. I've had no issues with it at all. The output, as you can see, is really good. No audio delay or anything like that. And basically, you can configure it to up to 4K. And yeah, so it basically transfers all the same video settings from your camera to your computer. So you can keep the exact same quality on your high-end camera, which is great. So, see you guys in the next video. Peace out. I'll see you guys.